All right, so here's a test. This is the 1-inch R sensor. And just to see how this looks from here, there's Bank City over there, a mosque. We're about to walk down the stairs again. The elevator here has been really acting up, so I'm just not really for my emotional state. I just don't feel like getting on the elevator for a while. So I just rather go up and down the stairs. But this is just a test to see how does this lens look compared to how the 4K footage looked yesterday. And then I still plan on getting a 360 lens next month. So then that way it'll be three different types of footage that I can do. And what I'm gonna check on the seventh floor is the parking garage. There's a different set of elevators. I think those elevators work better, but they only go to the seventh to the ground. So I'm gonna see if that elevator works. Because I'm thinking from here on out, I'm gonna just walk up and down the stairs until I feel comfortable with the elevator again. It's just been too many issues. Also, let me know how the stabilization looks. Is it bouncy? 3 more floors to go. It's not that bad walking down the stairs. That's the thing. That's why it don't bother me. Ninth floor. Another day I did this when I had to go up and down twice in one day. Man, my legs was killing me. Son. All right, 1 more floor, and we're gonna check that. 'Actually, we're not going to take a lift because the electricity's supposed to switch back on within next 10 to 30 minutes. And I don't like getting caught in that. So I just rather walk all the way down. I will say this so far about South Africa. If they fix their electricity issues, man, this will be a great country. Because it's very reminiscent of, I would say, Texas and Washington State, and a little bit of Portland. And it's just real good. The people are nice, especially once they understand, they realize you're American. Like if you come here as a Black American, people are gonna think you're African. So I found out most of the people they think I'm Nigerian until they hear me talking. So, just about 3 more flights, I think. So like yesterday, I was in the lift and the electricity went out, and I was just sitting there until the backup generator kicked in, which it wasn't a long time. But you're not trying to get stuck in stuff like that, man. That's not good for your mental health. All right, just 1 more flight. And now we're on the street. And let me order an Uber.